Hello children, in this class we are going to start a new chapter, the prepositions and prepositional phrases. Okay, so let's start. What are preposition? You all know that a preposition is a word that that links a noun, a pronoun or a phrase to some other part of the sentence. Okay, they are the word by which the noun, pronoun or noun phrases are linked. How they are linked, how they are connected to the, they shows, the preposition shows how the these nouns, pronouns or noun phrases are connected to the other part of the sentence. Okay, some prepositions are given here. You can see it, like, about, till, out, above, against, below, beneath and more. Here many prepositions are given here. Now, what are phrases? Prepositional phrases. What are phrases? A phrase is a group of related words that does not include a subject or verb and cannot convey a complete thought or idea. Okay, phrase is a group of words mainly, and they are related to each other, and they do not have verb or subject, or they do not show any complete sense or idea, that are called phrases. Look at the example, shady business. Here two words, one is shady and other is business. They are connected, but they do not convey any complete idea or sense. In a cinema hall, these are phrases. Okay, some exercises are given here. Use the appropriate preposition from the brackets to fill in the blanks. Okay, this, it is very easy. Some sentences are given here, and two prepositions are given in the bracket. You have to choose the right preposition for the sentence. They are very proud of their success. He boasted about his accomplishments. My sister is afraid of dogs. Someone is at the door. Someone is knocking on the window, not at the window. Next. Okay, there are many exercises are here. I solved all of this. First you have to do it by yourself, then check it with my answer. Next. A prepositional phrase is made up of a preposition and a noun phrase. Okay. In a prepositional phrase, there must be a preposition, and the preposition is placed with a noun phrase, that is called prepositional phrase. Like, in a week's time, it is a noun phrase. A week's time, with this in is attached, so it is a prepositional phrase. Under the seat, here it is the noun phrase, and under is the preposition. On is the preposition here, and with is the preposition here. We use prepositional phrase for many purposes. Okay, now purpose of using prepositional phrase. What is the purpose? The first, as adverb phrases of time and place. Okay, we will be back in a few days. Here to convey time. They drove from Delhi to Agra. Okay, as an adjective phrase, Ashley is the girl in the yellow shirt. Here, in the yellow shirt is the prepositional phrase. we have brought a new television with a 40-inch screen to show who did the something. The lion was killed by poachers. This play is written by Vijay Tendulkar. After certain verbs, nouns and adjectives. The book belongs to me. I had an argument with my brother. I feel sorry for you. Okay. Match the sentence opening in column A with appropriate prepositional phrase in column B. Okay. Some openings of the sentence are given in the column A, that is the left side, and some prepositional phrase are given in the in column B, that is the right side. You have to match all this. I already have done this. Next, underline the prepositional phrases in the following sentences. Some sentences have more than one prepositional phrase. Okay, you have to underline the prepositional phrase here. It is very easy. Find the preposition and then underline the next noun phrase, that is the total prepositional phrase. It is an area with a beautiful view of land and sea. Next, the table of contents is found near the front of the book. Okay, I solve all this. First you do it by yourself, then check it with my answer. Expand the following sentences by adding the prepositional phrase or each. Okay, you have to add here prepositional phrase. Fun corner. Use the list of preposition and noun phrases given below to write complete sentences. Okay, here some preposition are given here and some noun phrases are given here. You have to match them. Next, a conversation is given here. Okay, now some common errors, preposition and prepositional phrases. Okay, we reached at the airport at 9. That is incorrect. We reached the airport at 9. That is the correct form. The teacher entered into the room, not into the room, entered the room. We discussed about the matter. We discussed the matter. Here, about the preposition is not placed. She is improving leaps and bounds. She is improving by leaps and bounds. Ahan resigned his job. Ahan resigned from his job. She is married a Frenchman. She is married to a Frenchman. Okay. Okay, students, that's all for now. We will start a new chapter in the next class. Thank you.